Okay, my wife's car, she tried to use the automatic starter. This clicking noise started to happen, which turns off when I turn the ignition, but the ignition doesn't turn over. And there's a clicking noise coming from the fuse panel and the fuse box in the car. And I have no idea what it's doing or what's causing the noise. And this is what happens when I put the key in the ignition. Noise stops, but I'm turning the key and the car's not turning over. And then I take it out and wait, and then it starts happening again. The clicking starts happening. So